A documentary on the late DILG Secretary Jessie Robredo was launched today. Among those who viewed the 20-minute documentary was the late Secretary's widow, Camarines Sur Representative Leni Robredo. More from Aya Macalma.
After almost a year, the pain of losing a husband remains in Congresswoman Leni Robredo. The neophyte salon was teary-eyed as she was watching a mini documentary launched in honor of her late husband, DILG Secretary Jessie Robredo. The documentary on the occasion of Secretary Robredo's first death anniversary focuses on his contribution to good governance, dubbed Chinelas Leadership.
Ginagawang mga ganito para na-immortalize yung hindi lang yung kanyang memory, pero pati yung contribution niya. Palagi ko malaking bagay ito sa amin kasi para nakakataba ng puso na hindi lang kami nag-aalala sa kanya.
A 10-minute documentary shows the testimonies of citizens he helped in the name of public service, especially in his hometown, Naga City. According to Director Harvey Ke, the highlight of the documentary is how he served his countrymen and gave inspiration and hope to the masses.
To celebrate the life of the late Secretary Jessie Robredo. What you will watch is a documentary that will focus on a different side of Sec Jessie. Alam na natin, napanood na natin sa TV yung pagiging good governance champion niya, yung pagiging champion niya of transparency and accountability, that is still there. But not many people know that one, he championed the rights of the urban poor.
August 18 last year when Secretary Robredo's plane crashed in waters off Masbate. The family is commemorating his first death anniversary for the whole month of August. Attorney Leni Robredo will visit Masbate for the first time after a year, and she will be accompanied by all those who helped in the search and rescue operations. Attorney Robredo admitted that she misses her husband and still longs for her best friend, husband, and the father of her children.
My kids are okay, pero ako kasi, I'm more emotional now. I thought nga na pag mag-1 year na I would be better, pero it seems that I am not. Siguro kasi after his death, napakaraming pinagkaabalahan. Ngayon na medyo settled na lahat, parang doon nagsisink in yung lungkot. Parang mas nararamdaman yung void na iniwan niya. Kaya parang yung mga maliliit na bagay ngayon, parang apektado tayo.
The documentary will be shown in some universities in a bid to inspire the youth with Secretary Robredo's Chinelas Leadership. For the People's Television, Waywaya Macalma.